So today I want to talk about how I was able to get views from not posting any videos. Now for context, this channel is a long form channel. If we go back to, I guess, 365 days or a lifetime, it would be, I think, better representation, I think 90 or 365, wait. Alright, so over here, this is where we posted shorts on the channel. And then we swapped to long form, me and the editor. And this is the long form segment we posted. The niche, I'll go into it later, but it is compilation niche. It is compiling clips, adding voiceover and creative change. And we actually stopped posting. So I don't know why I refreshed. Most of the revenue was in this segment. This is where we posted the long form content. And it was around 1 million views. And then last 28 days, we haven't posted in a while. You check here, 90 days, not a single video. And somehow we're getting views. What happened was we got demonetized. Somewhere around here. We got demonetized. If you check revenue, like you see 0. We got demonetized and we never acted on it. I never acted on it because I'm working on other channels. Long form is not my main source of revenue. It was on the side. It's like my third long form channel that I tried, whatever. And I just never appealed. I didn't do anything. It was a mistake. And then recently, I had the chance to reapply. I reapplied, got denied. I made an appeal a few days later. I was accepted back. We're back monetized. And by the way, I reapplied. I'm sorry, why am I checking revenue? I reapplied, and I had these views. I had the watch hours out of thin air. Not a single video was posted for the past more than 90 days. Nothing was posted. You also see these videos died off. You check here, it's like no views. It's dead, and then all of a sudden, you have spikes. Past videos performed. Past videos was able to get me remonetized, and that's it. I have the momentum. The momentum is here. So just got a video posted. I don't think it's here, but it's not appeared because I just posted it a few hours ago. But this is just one example of past videos just popping out of thin air. And if I go into more context of the exact video that did it, this is the video. I'm sorry, it's gonna be blurred out. But day 1, day 3, day 9, no views. Just look at these views. By day 30, we had 800 views. Day 44, 1K. It's like, this is a dead end. A dead end. Why would you ever think it's not? You see this, it's like, okay. And then all of a sudden, I log back on the account randomly, right? Check the account, check if you get remonetized. Because we know the date we can reapply. And it's at like 50k views when I checked it. And now it's at 128. Now obviously I was demonetized for like all of these views. So what counted was like what, 2 days? 2 days revenue. It doesn't matter. I don't care. Whatever. It didn't lose that much. But the video popped off out of thin air. And I've had it happen with shorts. After like 2 months, after 60 days, the video popped off. Because what happens is there was a trend around this topic. At the time it was trending, but for some reason it didn't hit. And now there was another big creator who posted on this topic, and YouTube pulled out my video and sent it out again. No thumbnail change happened. Nothing changed. I didn't even log on the account. And it just popped off. So the account has momentum. I'm going to be spamming this exact content style. And we're going to get the account going, and I will not make the same mistake to get it demonetized. Let's just end it off here. You know, I was going to drop a niche, but this is basically the niche genre that I'm in. This is the niche genre that I'm in for the channel. You can check it out. It's not exactly streamer, but it is compilation style content. And that's really it. Check it out. If you want to try it, try it. He started in the past month. He's doing pretty good. That's it for today's video. That was a kind of free niche drop. It is kind of tapped, but it's a very viral topic. The RPM will be low. The RPM for an 8-minute video, you're gonna get around $2. You get it to like 20, you can get 3, you can get 4 maybe. It's a low RPM, but it's a very viral topic because it's streamers. Just like I Show Speed, he does good in YouTube Shorts, very good actually. For more registered creators, he does good on YouTube Long, and he's not gonna demonetize anyone. He doesn't care. And by the way, I guarantee you, this content has commentary behind it. Commentary will help you with fair use. You just won't get demonetized if you add enough commentary and change to the video. You add enough, then in a way you can use the fair use law, which just Google what it is, but it's basically if you're adding significant change, commentation, education purposes to a piece of content that's not yours, you can monetize on it. I'm going to end the video here. If you watched till the end, you deserve the niche drop. If you didn't, okay. And I'll see you in the next one. By the way, you should check out my other video.